So here we have two different exponential functions, 4 to the x and 1/2 to the x, and 4 different things that we need to find for each one. What we know about an exponential function for the graph is that it always goes through 0, 1, and 1c. So a will go through 0, 1, and 1, 4. From this, we should be able to define the shape of it. We know it'll go one of two ways. A will look something like that. The domain of all exponential functions is all real numbers. The range is always y is greater than 0. The x-intercept does not exist, as always. The y-intercept will always be at 1. This graph happens to be an increasing exponential function because it's moving up as we go left to right. And lastly, the horizontal asymptote will always be at y equals 0. One half to the power of x, again, always have a point at 0, 1. Second point will be at 1c, so 1 and 0.5. Based on the scale, it's a little bit hard to draw, but we'll see that this function goes the opposite way of a. But none of the important information changes. The domain is still all real numbers. The range is still y is greater than 0. The x-intercept does not exist. There is a y-intercept at 1. This function, however, is a decreasing exponential function since it moves down as we go left to right. And the horizontal asymptote is at y equals 0.